That is phenomenal. Welcome, my name's John, and we're going to unbox this Snow Peak Takibi Fire and Grill. Happy Father's Day. Dana, thank you. I got up this morning, it's about, it's 6 a.m. I've been up for about an hour and a half. And, well, I've been watching YouTube. You guys can't see it. We're in kind of my living room kitchen. I live in a small house, so the kitchen, dining room, and living room are all basically the same room. Let's see, let's move this out of here. My Zach Stuff sticker pack. Thank you, Zach. That was very appreciated. And he has a knife channel. You should check that out. Friend of mine. And in honor of Zach, I'm using a nondescript butcher knife that was laying around the kitchen to do this unboxing. No, this knife is disgusting. Stand by. We'll be getting a different knife. Hopefully this one will work better. And it isn't covered with disgusting stuff from dinner last night. And I thought I'd shoot this. It's Father's Day. Dana's at work. And my adult children, I don't know where they're at. I just watched one of Zach's unboxing. Actually, he did a review of a Kershaw knife, which, if you don't know, we're based in Oregon, and Kershaw is kind of a local manufacturer. But we got this. Oh, this looks complicated. Okay. Directions. I'll be holding on to that stuff. Well, it all appears very well packaged. And kind of got a frame here. Well, I hope this isn't complicated because I'm going to be... Wow, they really went all out on this carrying bag. Looks like really nice heavy canvas. And I must say our solo stove, which I like, but it's just too big to kind of camp with. We have a large solo stove made for our deck that I just take camping currently. So this will be a welcome addition. So it looks like it comes with kind of this super heavy canvas carrying bag. I took the frame out here a minute ago. And then this is additional frame. I'm not terribly familiar with this particular model, so bear with me. Dana and I have talked about these. Oh, it's made in Japan. Wow, that's kind of neat. So it's stainless steel construction. I think this thing just folds out in kind of like a little pyramid type arrangement. Just like that. It performs exactly, boy, that is slick. Take a look at some of these welds in here. I get jazzed on it. And this is like a super heavy gauge, I'm guessing, stainless steel. Nice little logos on here. You get that. The little logo, Snow Peak, made in Japan. This thing is cool, man. And it's that simple, taking it up and down. I don't know what all these other parts are for. I'm guessing we've got an ash pan down here. Oh, and a cooking grill. This is going to be neat. Not that I cook on the fire a ton, but it's still awful sweet. Sorry, I'm doing a little bit of tearing apart here just to kind of make this, move this box out of the way. So I'm guessing this piece goes down there. This piece folds out. Yeah, and those seem to kind of conform to that. I think it just sits down there to catch the ash and stuff. And then this piece, here, that seems like it goes in perfectly. Oh, and I'm guessing you have to be smarter than the device. Okay, Snow Peak, you get a pass. So I'm guessing this kind of fits in like that. Now, there we go. That worked out much better. This is sweet. Sorry, it's this is what we're looking at right now, is this cool setup. But again, I just thought I'd shoot a quick couple-minute video with this guy, and that didn't take long at all. I, again, don't have the directions memorized yet. I'll have to read up on it, what little literature it is. But so this is the cooking grill. This is all the pieces. Now let's see if we can kind of get this thing I guess, bagged up. Let me find a spot for this camera. This is not like the vinyl that you normally get. This is actual like cotton duck heavy duty canvas. These guys do not want this to break. So in a nutshell, what we're doing is we've got the canvas bag right out of your view here. Let's do this. All right, so I think we want to do the bigger pieces. I think I can just fold that up inside that. There we go with that. And this, it's been 5 minutes and I've forgotten how this thing folds up. Just like that. That looks very folded. So, I've got again, this very nice bag. I'm super impressed. I don't know about you guys, but I nerd out on stuff when they don't cheap out on the, you know, so hopefully I'm going to keep this for years, and the way it's built, I could see me keeping it for years. I'm going to put this underneath maybe. This is really cool. So I'm just going to keep this all as one unit and just kind of slip it in there. But this versus the large solo stove on my other camping videos, this is going to be freaking awesome. All right, there we go. Peg still on it and everything. That is a cool setup, man. It is really cool. Let's do this for time. Got all my literature saved in here, the brand new Snow Peak. Let's see, unstrap this awesome case. Again, this cotton duck is phenomenal. So, ready, set, go. So, grill out, and take this deal out, and this deal out. We'll put the Snow Peak right there with the Snow Peak facing me. This awesome thing. And voila, it's set up. And that looks like about 30 seconds. Now, let's say we want to do some grilling. Just take this little hoodie out here and that, maybe 45 seconds. So you guys can't see it because I'm incapable of operating a camera properly, but there she is, all set up. One Snow Peak delivered. It's got the little cutouts for the feet, got the little grill on there, and kind of see what we're looking at here. That is phenomenal. Again, this is going to be a game changer for our camping setup. Wow, pretty cool. All right, well, that concludes today's video. Tune in next week for more marginal content, and also go to my friend Zach's channel. He's got a really cool knife review channel. So it's a pretty fun day. It's Father's Day, and happy Father's Day if you're a father. So, or happy Father's Day if you're, I guess, happy Father's Day. Yep, middle of June and we got a fire going. Again, to get in here on some of the welds and things, look at in here. You know, you're looking at these little welds here. They're just little spot welds, but it's still stainless steel welds. I just like that they didn't, you know, there's not a lot of buffing going on or anything like that, but these things aren't thin. I always assumed they'd be kind of much thinner gauge. I don't know what gauge this is. And very obviously this is all stainless. I keep calling it this piece. I should probably open the directions. I'm just too excited. If I'm honest, it's this thing here is a That doesn't seem like it'd be right. Maybe it is. They assume when you buy this that you're smart and you can just naturally fit all this stuff together. Snow Peak, you were wrong. I don't understand this at all. How does it fit with the fireplace though? Grilly thing on top? That doesn't seem very secure. That seems like it goes in perfectly. Oh, and I'm guessing you have to be smarter than the device. Okay, Snow Peak, you get a pass. So I'm guessing this kind of fits in like that. Yeah, there we go. That worked out much better. This is sweet.